Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Dead by Daylight supports crossplay across 3 platforms: PC, Xbox, PlayStation. This means survivors and killers can join lobbies together regardless of storefront, but platform lobbies and crossplay toggles still matter. You need one behavior account to invite friends across platforms, link your platform accounts under Settings, and verify email to unify profiles. Crossplay can match you with non-friend players if enabled in Settings, so optionally turn off crossplay to restrict matches to your platform while keeping friend invites functioning through the behavior. Link your platform accounts under Behavior Account Settings on the official site. This step ties your Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, or Steam account to one behavior account. Sign in with the same behavior account on each platform before inviting friends, and confirm your display name and friend list are visible. Enable crossplay in the game settings to allow cross-platform matchmaking, and check the privacy options to control who can invite you. Allow notifications and party invites so friend requests arrive reliably across platforms without delays. Open the Friends menu, search by behavior name, and send an invite to join your party. The invite appears regardless of platform as long as accounts are linked. If invites fail, verify linked accounts, restart the game, and check NAT or firewall settings on your router or console. Sometimes a simple 2-minute restart fixes NAT errors. Use in-game party chat or external voice apps for coordination once the party is formed. And remember to set the crossplay toggle per session to control matchmaking pool size and latency preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.